thinking about what the club members could add to the engineering community in the country, the thought emerged that maybe we can start a lecture series for the colleges around Chennai.
PALS is an year-long outreach education program from the IIT Alumni Club Chennai that leverages the knowledge and vast experience of its members for the benefit of student, faculty and administrators of leading colleges in and around the city. Medium to long-term vision for the program is to continue to fine-tune the offering and expand its footprint regionally and subsequently nationally with the assistance and active support of the IIT Alumni Network.
A, it is to unite the alumni and the academician community through an innovative framework. B, leverage on the network and the potential to bring in new insights to the partner institutions. C, to be able to impact the students in a way that the learning benefits and enables them to become more effective future engineers of the country.
We believe that this is a good first step that will lead to a vigorous interaction between the engineering colleges and IIT Madras.
The one thing we noticed about the whole thing, I mean, across colleges, there was a very high level of interest in entrepreneurship, and that is something that is interesting to note. And what we were most surprised about was the students interacted extremely well. The questions were all very well thought out, and it was really a joy to be talking to the students.
Innovation Challenge is unique to this PALS series and probably unique to the whole PALS program, in fact to the whole IIT alumni community. What we are doing in PALS Innovation Challenge is to attempt to identify and support promising young innovators who've dedicated themselves to solving India's most promising problems with their innovative ideas.
And I think PALS is a wonderful way of reaching out to partner colleges around Chennai to talk about our own experiences, to talk about opportunities for students, for faculty, and to expose them to many, many possibilities in life and help them succeed.
PALS Innovation Competition is one of many, but we have been thinking about doing this at a much larger scale in the coming months.
The topic is called striking a chord between principles and practices.
And I hope that all of you will benefit tremendously from what you're about to hear.
I have a favorite story. I'll repeat it at the risk of some of you may have heard it. One of my students, Shivaram Tyagarajan, is the managing director of Sriram Towers. So I decided to call Shivaram to come and talk about design of cooling towers. He came and lectured. The students didn't know I was there. I was sitting in the back. And after half an hour, one student in front of me told his neighbor, "Not bad, Anant knows design." But I think this is very reasonable. He needs a reality check. I'm here in the university and he thinks I'm theoretical, so he needs to know that the industry in fact practices what I teach.
Through the years, we have had a tremendous amount of interaction with industry. I think academia and industry certainly have a lot of opportunity to work together. There's lots of opportunity for collaboration because real world problems, real world orientation does come from exposure and interactions with industry.
Having a technical and an engineering mindset really helps. You will be astonished to know that the chairman of our company It's an FMCG business. I mean, 80% of our business is FMCG. The chairman of our company is an engineer. Most of the senior board of directors and chief executives are all engineers. And in fact, the chairman often says that I'd rather hire a bright engineer. He can do any job in this company.
The enthusiastic response we got from our partner institutions and the ready interest and commitment we received from one and all our alumni members have reassured us that we can make this a sustainable and a beneficial initiative for years to come.
There is a disconnect between what is there now in the textbooks and what is there being taught and what is actually needed on the ground, because things have changed dramatically. The disconnect now is not just about what is being taught and what is needed, but actually what we need to think about future. And this is an opportunity for India to reinvent and contribute back to the rest of the world.
We launched the Innovation Challenge for our 10 partner institutes this year. I must say we were overwhelmed with response. We had over 200 entries from our 10 partner institutes.
I just announced the winner. The best PI is Pratyusha Institute of Management and Technology.
Thank you all for making PALS 2013 an event which has happened in reality. Let us meet again next academic year with larger vigor, better scope, better vision and higher ambition. Thank you.
Students and the faculty members of the partner institutions were benefited by the events organized by PALS 2013 and looking forward for a lot of new initiatives from PALS in the near future.
I'm happy to state that the various programs that were organized for the faculty and students have been highly impactful. The feedback received from both the faculty and students have been really amazing.